Remember this: these photos will change your view of the past. Family Easter photo with homemade rabbit costumes and masks, 1926. Mickey Mouse Club audience wearing masks in a theater, around 1930. Demonstration of a bulletproof vest prototype during early safety testing, 1923. Custom piano built to let bedridden patients play music from their beds, 1935. Knife grinders working face down beside dogs to stay warm in France, 1902. Man wears cage suit to collect golf balls, 1920s. Farmer feeding milk to cats during morning chores on a dairy farm, 1950s. Women making a large lace panel by hand in France, 1920. Archaeologists dining inside the tomb of King Tut after its discovery, 1923. Worker standing high above the water during Golden Gate Bridge construction, 1935. A New York policeman hangs from a steel beam above Times Square, 1920. Workers stand on a wooden rig high above New York City, 1925. Federico Caprilli demonstrates a cavalry technique at the Italian Riding School, 1906. Zebras pull a carriage driven by Walter Rothschild in London, around the turn of the century. A man undergoes electrohydrotherapy using an electric bath device, 1910. A listening device used to hear enemy planes before radar, 1930s. Boy riding scooter equipped with rocket device, 1931. Workers assembling the torch of the Statue of Liberty, Paris, 1876. The face of the Statue of Liberty during construction in Paris, 1885. A boy stands with a self-made wooden bicycle, 1912. Warriors in Indonesia holding spears and swords, early 1900s. South Korean women with U.S. soldier, 1948. Young child sitting on a tricycle along a dirt road, 1927. Two Japanese women carried in a covered travel chair, late 1800s. Two young geisha women dressed in traditional kimono, Japan, early 1900s. Family enjoying a roadside picnic beside their car during the early 1900s. High school girls working on a car in mechanics class, 1927. Child in Berlin, selling lemonade with portable dispenser, 1931. Children tied to poles during a swimming lesson, early 1900s. Two Maori women wearing carved stone necklaces, early 1900s. Sorority sisters at the University of Texas, 1944. Woman talking on a hand crank oak phone, early 1900s. Exhausted contestants at a dance marathon, 1930. A Chippewa elder said to have lived 137 years, 1915. Pancho Villa and his staff, early 1900s. The happiest man in China poses for a studio portrait, 1901. A woman carries a child eating a sugarcane in Egypt, early 1900s. An Alaska Native mother and child wearing winter clothing, 1927. A young woman in a traditional Filipino dress, early 1900s. Tribal family in central India, late 1800s. Traditional Korean wedding with family and attendants, early 1900s. Blackfoot tribesmen look out over Glacier National Park in Montana, 1910. Villagers gathering water from a well in the Philippines, early 1900s. Bookmobile program delivering books to the sick, 1928. Young man protesting low teacher pay during the Great Depression, around 1930. Princeton freshman after snowball fight injuries, 1893. A look inside a frontier barber shop, 1869. Styled beard portrait taken in a photography studio, late 1800s. Train crash at Montparnasse station in Paris, France, 1895. Women fighting on a rooftop in London, 1902. Flappers posing on a rooftop ledge in New York City, 1920s. Women posing at Jack's Saloon in Hot Springs, Arkansas, 1930s. Filipina women in traditional dress, early 1900s. Japanese family portrait in traditional and military dress, early 1900s. Korean family wearing traditional attire before modernization, early 1900s. Women soldiers of the war, Vietnam, 1960s. Young dancers in traditional dress, Indonesia, 1889. Women standing in military formation in Vietnam, mid-1900s. American soldiers during the Vietnam War, Southeast Asia, 1960s. Godzilla takes a break with an actress, 1954. Roland the elephant seal gets a bath at the Berlin Zoo, 1930s. Indigenous youth with spears, Brazil, early 1900s. Young dancers in traditional dress, Indonesia, 1889. Vietnamese civilians caught in crossfire, 1965. Portraits of Vietnamese women wearing traditional dress, late 1800s. A Balinese family in traditional dress, Indonesia, early 1900s. Pilgrims wearing ritual hats in Japan, late 1800s. Man standing beneath a giant cardon cactus, late 1800s. Elite warrior in full ceremonial armor lined with spikes, India, late 1800s. Loggers pose beside the base of a giant redwood, 1892. A rural mail carrier delivers letters by horse and carriage, 1914. A family traveling south in a packed car during the Great Migration, early 1940s. A young boy holds his stuffed animal on a bombed London street, 1945. Austrian boy smiling about a new pair of shoes, 1946. If even one of these photos changed your perspective of the past, then this journey was worth it. Hit subscribe, stick around for more, because here at Remember This, the past isn't just history, it's home.